Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can trigger a notepad straight away in ClickUp. First things first, we need to create ourselves an account at ClickUp or log into our ClickUp account. This is a very easy task for us to do, and it's actually very helpful. One of the fastest, and it's really nice. When we're in our workspace, we want to go to the bottom right side and click on those four little dots, and every single dot has a different color. We click on it and straight away there is a notepad. If you have some insights that you really want to write down, you don't have to go into your windows or leave the ClickUp. We just create a note, for example test, we click create, and description or a type for a test, or for, for the note. So let's go test. Click up like this, and you can go round. We can also use it as a comment, and straight away we can even convert it to task. Test ClickUp, add a subtask if you want to in a list number 2 and create a task. And straight away you just created a test task. You can open it and we can fill it with more additional information. As you can see, it's right here. You can archive it, delete it, or keep this note. We just keep it. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you on another video.